Rahman, welcome you all to the investiture ceremony of the Students' Council for the session 2025-2026.
मैं अल्लाह की पनाह मांगती हूँ शैतान मखलूक से। अल्लाह के नाम से जोड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम फरमाने वाला। अल्लाह ताला ही के लिए है जो कुछ आसमानों में है और जो कुछ ज़मीनों में है, और सारे मामला अल्लाह ताला ही की तरफ झुका दिए जाएंगे। तुम वो बेहतरीन उम्मत हो जो नेकी का हुक्म करते हो और बुराई से रोकते हो और अल्लाह पर ईमान
Holy Quran, followed by Anat, rendered by Ms. Minal Zahra. We would also like to thank Ms. Faranas for her valuable time. Ms. Faranas Akbar is the Parliamentary Secretary for the Ministry of Federal Education and Professional Training, and also serves as the President for the Pakistan World Guide Association, Pakistan Islamabad chapter, for achievements to deliver development note. Please welcome
and dear parents and my beloved students, Assalamu alaikum, and a very warm welcome to all of you. It is indeed a privilege to host you today on the Investiture ceremony of
inspiring words. Her guidance and dedication continue to motivate all of us. Council 2024-2025, Ms. Zahra Tariq, to please come and share her experience with us. Esteemed guests and dearest fellow students, standing here brings back a wave of nostalgia. It feels just like yesterday I was standing where the new council stands now, full of excitement, a little bit nervous, and eager to make it official. Thank you, Ms. Zahra Tariq. Distinguished guests, this is the moment our students and their proud parents have been anxiously waiting for. I request our Honorable Chief Guest, Ms. Faranas Akbar, to administer oaths to the elective students.
Islamabad College for Girls
Do hereby pledge
solemnly pledge
to abide by
all
the rules and regulations of the college
the rules and regulations of the college
and to fulfill
and to fulfill
my duties
my duties
to the best of my ability.
to the best of my ability.
Amen. Do hereby solemnly pledge
Do hereby solemnly pledge I, Kumara P. General Secretary, Students' Council, Islamabad College for Girls. Jiha Mukhtar, Joint Secretary, Students' Council, Islamabad College for Girls. I, Saida Fatma Hussain, Treasurer, Student Council, Islamabad College for Girls. Student Council, Islamabad College for Girls.
do hereby solemnly pledge
Do hereby solemnly pledge
to abide by
to abide by the regulations of the college.
and to fulfill my duties
Manila, Secretary Computer Science. Simra Pida, Secretary Sport External.
Student Council, Islamabad College for Girls.
Hi, Shanti Sibi, Secretary Sports Internal. Khadija Khan, Secretary Music. Maima Shahid, Secretary Business. Adita Ali, Secretary Civic Society. Hi, Shamsa Talakshir, Secretary Pakistan Studies. Amna Nayyar, Secretary Home Economics. Purva Shakla, Secretary Finance. Isfa Fatma, Secretary Science. Maluri Saab, Secretary Hostel Affairs. Student
Council, Islamabad College for Girls.
I, Iman Hamid Rao, Class Executive First Year Science.
Suraya A, Class Executive First Year Arts.
Vidisha Riaz, Class Executive Second Year Science.
Bihar Iman, Class Executive Second Year Arts.
Student Council, Islamabad College for Girls.
English 5.
Maya Hamid Sachin, Class Executive BS English Science.
Student Council, Islamabad College for Girls.
To hereby solemnly pledge.
I, Vansa Asif, Class Executive BS Psychology 1. Manahil Asgar, Class Executive BS Psychology 3. Fatma Gul, Class Executive BS Psychology 5.
Ishmael Asif, Class Executive BS Psychology 7.
Students Council, Islamabad College for Girls.
I, Positively Class Executive BS Chemistry 1. Vika Mehmudabasi, Class Executive BS Chemistry 3.
Mama Baha, Class Executive BS Chemistry 5. Riza Wajid, Class Executive BS Chemistry 7.
Student Council, Islamabad College for Girls.
Best of my ability.
Best of my ability.
Umar Kumar, Department Representative BS Psychology. Samya Vicky, Department Representative BS Chemistry.
Student Council, Islamabad College for Girls.
I, Mahima Saab, Head Girl Junior Section Morning Shift. Fatima Zabir, Shruti Head Girl Junior Section Morning Shift. Arba Chaudhary, Head Girl Senior Section Morning Shift. Rida Kathurja, Head Girl Senior Section Morning Shift.
Students Council, Islamabad College for Girls.
I, Nurul Haya, Head Girl Junior Section Evening Shift. Naya Kamran, Deputy Head Girl Junior Section Evening Shift. Anusha Sadar, Head Girl Senior Section Evening Shift. Pawan Kate, Deputy Head Girl Senior Section Evening Shift. Student Council, Islamabad College for Girls.
By Noor Al-Quran. Worthy Chief Guest, respected Principal, Vice Principal, teachers, honorable parents, and my dear Council fellows. Assalamu alaikum. Standing here today as a newly elected President makes me filled with gratitude, pride, and deep sense of responsibility. I would like to thank everyone who was always there for me, my teachers for their constant support. It's journey remarkable together. Thank you so much. Allah.
Please welcome these students. Above all, to the students who are the most important people of this ceremony today, I really congratulate all of you because you are all a part of this ceremony and you are all invested in your children and this is a very special moment for you all at College for Girls on this special occasion, the Master Ceremony of the Students' Council 2025. Today we are celebrating leadership with girls. There were 6 of them and they were all representing different provinces. So as I walked in, so I asked them, each one of them, what would you like to become in the future? Turkey from here, there was an exchange program of Turkey and 179 children had gone. So I met those children also and they were so excited. So I told them that you should appreciate this time, enjoy it, especially you should really salute your parents because your parents have given you this opportunity. They have given you this opportunity to go ahead. Again, as I said, when we were young, there were so many restrictions. Now times have changed. Parents have become so good. I would say our parents in their own way, they were good. But now the parents have become so
broad-minded and they would like their girls to explore the world, I would say. So they were like 17 boys and they said, yes, we are very happy because they will lead us and they will show us the way. So this is also a change that's coming in the community, that our men are accepting our women as leaders, because if you look at our girls, how well they are doing, and even when they are going abroad. There was a student I remember, she had gone, is she here? She had gone to 2 competitions.
I went to Japan on a cultural exchange program. It was Asian Pacific Children Convention. They invite over 35 countries every year to introduce their own culture to them.
Thank you so much.
फिर से है चल पड़ा अज़्म हिम्मत का निशान, जिद्दत का कारवां ए नौजवान हो झूलो